మూత్రనాళ సంబంధిత వ్యాధులు స్ట్రిక్చర్తో బాధపడుతున్న రోగులకు సమగ్ర చికిత్స గుంటూరు అపోలో హాస్పిటల్లో అందిస్తుందని డాక్టర్ సందీప్ బఫ్నా అన్నారు. యూరిథ్రల్ స్ట్రిక్చర్ అనేది వ్యక్తి యొక్క రోజువారీ జీవితాన్ని గణనీయంగా ప్రభావితం చేస్తుందని ఆయన తెలిపారు. ఇక అపోలో హాస్పిటల్ సమగ్ర ఆరోగ్య సంరక్షణ సేవలను అందించడానికి అంకితం చేయబడిందని డాక్టర్ సందీప్ చెప్పారు. ఇక నైపుణ్యం కలిగిన నిపుణుల బృందం అధునాతన వైద్య చికిత్సలు అపోలో హాస్పిటల్లో అందుబాటులో ఉన్నాయని తెలిపారు.
I'll talk about today. We are going to have a clinic in Guntur, so we'll come and see every 2 months once. We'll come here to the clinic, we'll see patients regularly, and we'll give our urological service from Apollo Hospital here in Guntur. So today I'll just talk to you about few things about prostate problem, urinary problems. So prostate problem can affect any people of age more than 50 years. They can have difficulty in passing urine. They can have very slow urine. So a lot of good medications are there, but if medications are not helping, then we need to plan for some surgery. Previously they used to do a standard surgery called TURP. That is a good surgery, but what happens is the semen doesn't comes out, and even young sexually active people, we cannot do surgery for TURP. So now the new technique has come in Apollo Hospital Chennai, where we have started doing something called UroLift, where we don't need to cut the prostate, we don't need to open the prostate, where we need to put small clips, and with that the patient's sexual function is preserved, his semen will come out after surgery, and young sexually active people will benefit from this surgery. It's called UroLift. It is a day case procedure. Come in the morning, go in the evening, no much of pain. The catheter will not stay for a long time. So that is the advantage of latest technique which we have in Apollo Hospital Chennai. Second, more commonly we see a lot of patients with kidney cancer. There is a small tumor or cut in the kidney where patients get very scared, very get anxious. What is it? Previously they used to remove the whole kidney. Now the things have changed. Now they've started removing only the tumor part. So people they used to do open surgery, then laparoscopic surgery. Now in Apollo Hospital we have a robot. We have a very good robotic system in Apollo Hospital. With robotic surgery, advantage is we just have to remove the tumor. We don't need to remove the whole kidney in those patients. Advantages: patients can go home very fast, recovery is very fast, pain is very less, bleeding is very less. That has very good advantage for all the people, all the patients.